Hello and welcome. If you run a vegetable shop, a grocery store, or any small retail business, this video is for you. My name is Amit, and today I want to show you something I have built specifically for shop owners like you, a software called Campus Store. But before I show you the software, let me ask you a few questions. Do you know exactly how much stock you have right now at this very moment? Not roughly exactly. Do you know which item is selling well and which one is just sitting in your shop going to waste? At the end of the month, when you try to calculate your profit, do you actually know your real profit or you are just guessing? When the buyer calls you and asks for say 20 kilos of tomatoes, do you write it down in a diary and then forget it or lose the paper? If you have more than one person working in your shop, do you know what each person is doing? Are sales being recorded properly? Or is money being lost without you even knowing? These are the real problems. Every single shop owner I have spoken to has faced at least one of these. And the solution most people use it a notebook or an Excel sheet or sometimes nothing at all. Now, I'm not saying notebooks are bad, but when your business grow even a little, a notebook cannot keep up. You cannot search it, you cannot calculate profit from it, you cannot see trends, and you definitely cannot run a shop with multiple staff using just a notebook. So I built Campus Store. It is a very simple, fast, light footprint desktop software designed for exactly this kind of business: vegetable, groceries, dry goods, and any shop where you buy in bulk and sell retail. Let me tell you what it does. When you buy say 50 kilos of onions, Campus Store records it. When you sell 10 kilos, it deducts it automatically. When 5 kilos gets damaged and you throw them away, you record that too. When you return something to your supplier, that also get tracked. Alright. So at any moment you can open the inventory screen and see exactly how many kilos of each item you have. And if something goes to zero, the software shows it in red, so you know immediately where to, when to, and what to restock. Now let's see profit. Most shop owners think profit means sale amount minus purchase amount, but that is not the full picture. What about some goods get damaged? Say onions got rotten. What about the items you return to your supplier? What about the goods you have on credit? Campus Store tracks all of this, and on the dashboard you get a clear profit and loss report. And not only just for today, for this month, you can see that for any date range you choose. You can see exactly how much you earned, how much you spent, and what your actual profit is, item by item and day by day. Now let's see another problem. Problem is a buyer, a bulk buyer for example, demands something. You note it down and forget, right? Or where you wrote that is misplaced, correct? Or whatever happens. So is there any way to track these demands? Let's see you are running a shop and then you supply the items for say school canteen. Canteen calls you every week and orders the same vegetables. Campus Store has a demand feature. Your staff can record what buyers are asking even when stock isn't available. Then when you go to market, you know exactly what to buy because the demand is already recorded. You can print the demand, take the paper with you, or call your vendors. You have the demand in hand. No more disappointed buyers. Everything sorted out. And so your staff has note down a demand. Now you want to check and approve. Campus Store provides a mechanism. Right? Here you can log in as admin and approve the demands. Only the approved demands appear in your dashboard. We will see it when I walk you through the software. Now let's see another problem. The sales. So Campus Store has a role system. You as a shop owner are the admin and your staff are the operator. The operators can record sales and purchases. However, they cannot see the profit reports, only you can see it. They cannot delete the records, they cannot approve demands or change any settings. It has a very convenient sale recording feature. This way all the sales are properly recorded, receipts are printed, and receipt also has two portions. One is shop copy, one is customer copy. You can keep the shop copy for any kind of auditing purposes. So this solves the problem of sales. Now let's see the receipt print problem. I already stated earlier that while recording a sale you can print a receipt. Campus Store provides a way so that you can also save the receipts as PDF for your record, and you can share it with the person who is gonna do audit, or with your partners, or anybody who demands the data. At any time you can print a full report, daily sales report, purchase report, inventory snapshot, or profit and loss report, and share it with your accountant and partners. Campus Store is built for real shop owners, not for big companies. It is simple enough that anyone can learn it in a day. It runs on your computer, no internet required, no monthly subscription to some server. Your data stays with you. In the next videos, I will show you exactly how to set it up and use it step by step. If you are watching this and thinking, yes, this is what I need, then stay with me. Let's build a better, more organized shop together. Thank you.